So I have a bit of a sad news, which I really didn't know how to address it, but let me just jump to it and tell you guys that I think I broke my iPhone X screen. What's this? I have a notification here. Okay, one of you guys just commented on the channel. So as I was saying, I broke my iPhone screen, and it's been almost a month now that it's been broken. Now, to tell you exactly what happened is, it's not the actual screen that is broken, but it seems like it's the protective glass that I have on the phone. So I wanted to actually try and remove it now in camera. So I wanted to remove this obviously with you guys and see if it's the actual screen and the bottom is also broken, but I'm positive that it's just the glass that is broken. As you guys can see, same thing happened to my iPhone 6. I kind of dropped it. I think I was getting off the car. This is actually how I normally tend to break my screens. I forget that the phone is on my lap or in the middle of my legs in the car, and when I get off, I accidentally drag the phone out of the car with me and drops and it breaks. That's what happens to this phone. But this one, I am positive that it's not the screen that is broken, it's just the glass on top of it that is broken. I remember it happened when I was at Ocean Baskets. As we were at Ocean Baskets, wrong phone. As we were at Ocean Basket, I remember standing up and dropping the phone down, but at the moment I did not realize that the screen had been cracked, or the glass had been cracked around it. I'm really nervous about this. Maybe that's why I sound all funny today. At least that's what I think. I think I sound funny today. But yeah, I'm going to remove it now in camera with you guys, and hopefully it's nothing. By the way, this cover here is not the original iPhone cover. I bought this cover for 200 Rand. The original cover goes for around 800 Rand, but it kind of feels like the real deal. So is this one. This is also a generic iPhone cover, which looks like the original silicone cover. I think I got this one for 100 Rand. They seem pretty generic. Now you're gonna say, Pedro, that's my name by the way, why would you go buy an expensive iPhone and buy a cheap cover? I mean, that cover is too expensive. That's the only reason I didn't buy it. And there is no point buying an 800 Rand cover when you can get the similar one for 200 Rand. But you guys are probably gonna quote me on that when I actually go and buy an original of that. But let's not delay this. Let's go see if this is just the glass or the actual phone also. See, I dropped the other phone again. And actual phone also, it's still fine. So let's start by removing the cover. You don't need to be on. Let's remove the cover first. Cover out, and let's remove the glass. Also, the one reason I wasn't actually removing the glass is if I remove the glass and the actual glass on the bottom is not broken, then it would be for nothing because I'll lose the protection that I actually have at the moment. But let's, fingers crossed. Let's remove this guy. Hopefully nothing is wrong with the glass. Oh, thank God. I don't think it's not. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the glass. Phew. So now that we know that there is nothing wrong with the phone, we can go ahead with our normal programming, which is I have an unbox that I still have to do, and this is what I use to clean. Okay, wrong side. This is what I use to clean my products. I have to put a special glove. Actually, this is the wrong hand. Put a special glove just like so. Then you put the other one. You gotta treat your tech as you treat your... Okay, never mind, forget about that. I was about to say something unorthodox, but second one down, and then you grab the beauty. This helps the phone not to slip on your hands. And then obviously you grab the microfiber cloth and you treat your tech to a nice cleaning. As I was saying, we're gonna go back to our normal programming. I have a couple of unboxes to do. I have a video planned for probably next week, yeah, because the week is almost finished and I know most of you guys are busy during the weekend. Let me know if you want me to start posting during the weekend. I normally don't post during the weekend because I know most of you are either out of work, out of school, and most of you, I know you don't have internet at home. But if you do have, that's actually a plus for us. And if you do have, go leave a comment down below and tell me what speeds are you using and which internet do you use. I'm using 15 up and 10 down internet connection. No, 10 up and 15 down internet connection, which is pretty fast for what I do. Now the phone is looking really clean. I actually need to go and get a replacement screen because this one, as you guys can see, it's had its best day, but now this is dangerous. But now it's done. So the phone is clean. I'm not gonna use it like this, or I will use it like this, but I have to be very careful. And yeah, it's done. So as I was saying, I have a couple of videos that I still have to make. I have this guy here, which I just got from a friend. Shout out to you, DK. You guys should go and check his channel. His channel is DK Deft on YouTube as well. And yeah, so I need to make a video of this guy here. It's a smart plug, but you guys will see it soon. And I still have another stuff that side on the floor, which I need to review. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you like the video. If you don't like it, obviously give the thumbs down. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have that notification button on. I'm doing all these things. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. I am a bit tired today because I came from the gym straight shooting. So now I'm gonna go shower, maybe fall asleep, and then edit this video. Peace.